Let's do a what's in my fridge tour. Just a disclaimer, my fridge doesn't always look this organized and color-coded. I just did that today because it was grocery day. So I wanted to show you guys how in my most optimal days, this is what it looks like. So the way I like to organize it is I have this little container here on the top left, and that's where I like to put any dairy or cheeses. And then all my condiments go on this little area here. So my most used are apple cider vinegar and sriracha sauce, but I have this little trivet that I use when I need to pull anything. And then I love this. This is an herb thing. Basically, it's filled with water, and then it has parsley, dill. Oop, I just spilled water. It has parsley, dill, and green onion. And then, of course, we have some baking soda to keep the freshness. And then we have Greek yogurt, which I'm obsessed with. I have that to help me hit my protein goals. I have some local farm pasture-raised eggs. And then this little container here is for any meats or seafood, anything uncooked that I buy. Then over here is the fun part. I have kimchi, which I love, and some local pickles. And then in these little jars, I have hemp seeds, chia seeds, some chopped up dill for tonight's dinner, some edible flowers, pomegranate seeds, organic medjool dates, and some chopped up onion to make it easy for cooking. And then my favorite drawer of all, which I'm so proud of because it looks very rainbow-like, is this. Everything is washed and ready to eat or cook with. So we have a little assortment of organic oranges, lemons, limes, apples, zucchini. Oh, of course that's gonna happen. Let's press the alarm. Carrots, kiwi. And then here we have some cauliflower, blackberries, strawberries, cherry tomatoes, some pre-washed California spring greens, which is great for salads, and some Gotham greens butterhead lettuce, which looks beautiful. And then if we look over here, we have some more condiments, the standard stuff, and then some basic things like butter. For some reason, I have anchovies here and I haven't used it yet, so I'll have to find a use for that. And then just some like tomato paste and some squeezable ginger and garlic for whenever I'm feeling lazy. Here we have whole milk, lactose-free milk for me. This is for our coffees usually. We have some unsweetened almond milk, and then these teas which we're obsessed with. They're jasmine green tea, so great. And then we're actually in between coffee machines. We have a new one coming, so we're relying on this for the next few days. But this is basically